So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to order DoorDash for someone in another state. So if you want to order DoorDash for someone in another state, the first thing you should do is go to your DoorDash app. Now if you want to order for someone in another state, you can enter their exact address. So once you go to your account right here, you can then go to your real setup for your addresses. You can switch to their address within the app, and you can use the option send as a gift at checkout and providing their local phone number. So if you choose to get something from a certain store, you can then go to your checkout on there and use it like that. So you can just then input their address. So once you get to your checkout, you can then use those specific options to click either send as a gift or to get some different stuff for that other person that's not you. So just provide their address and it's going to load stores nearby, and then just choose one of those and click on send as gift. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share a video, you can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.